From Daily Forex, this is Chris, and I'm taking a look at the Bitcoin charts. You can see that we have fallen again during the day on Thursday. Nothing major. We're down about 2.75% now. We were down 2.5% when I sat down a few minutes ago, so we do continue to drift a little bit lower. As I zoom in, you should notice that the candlestick from Wednesday has now become a hanging man at 7,000. That's a bearish sign, meaning we'll probably drop down to 6,500 next. I think 6,000 is a line in the sand by the buyers. If they give it up, and when I say give it up, I mean significantly by a couple of $100, that drops this market down to 5,000. It's not until we break above this uptrend or this downtrend line that I'd be a buyer. I'd probably wait till 8,000. But quite frankly, if we get that high, we could be talking a trend change at that point. I mean, that would truly be a very positive sign. You can see what Bitcoin's done since the mania ended at the end of last year. And we just haven't made a higher high. So when you have a situation like this, I find value hunting can work, but you need to make a couple of reasons to go higher. So breaking above the trend line and making a higher high. Now, that's something you can hang your hat on. Now, a lot of people get discouraged by that because you would have given up this much of the rally. But if you were to go back to the highs at 20,000, I could get in at 9. I would be okay with that, or, well, 8,100 or whatever the case would be here. Certainly, it would give you a great risk to reward ratio. You could add as you go along, that type of thing. But right now, we just don't have the momentum to make it happen. There's nothing on this chart that doesn't tell me that we're going to try to break through 6,000, and we very well could. It just seems to me, this is a very strange market to me, because it seems to me that every couple weeks there's a new thing coming out that's going to save it, and we might get a short-term pop and then it rolls over. So that tells me there's no real underlying demand. And until there's demand, prices remain muted.